Understanding, take your medication, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might hear in daily conversations, especially in contexts related to health and wellness. Take your medication. We'll explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you grasp the concept fully. So, let's get started. Take your medication is a straightforward instruction that involves two main components: take and your medication. The verb take in this context means to consume or ingest something, typically a form of medicine. Your medication refers to any medical substance prescribed or recommended by a healthcare professional to treat, prevent, or manage an illness or condition. This phrase is commonly used in healthcare settings, among family members, or in personal reminders. It's a way to ensure that someone remembers to consume their medicine as part of their treatment plan. Here are some scenarios where it might be used. A doctor explaining a prescription to a patient. Make sure to take your medication twice a day with water. A caregiver to a family member. Did you take your medication this morning? Setting reminders for yourself. I need to take my medication before breakfast. Understanding the context in which this phrase is used can help avoid misunderstandings. It's essential to know that the phrase is usually used out of concern for someone's health and well-being. It can sometimes be perceived as intrusive or overbearing, depending on the relationship between the speaker and the listener and the tone used. In some cultures, discussing medications openly is sensitive, so always be mindful of the context and your relationship with the other person. There are several ways to express the same idea, varying in formality and specificity. Here are a few alternatives. Remember to take your pills. A more casual way to say it. Did you follow your doctor's orders about the medication? A more formal approach. Make sure you're keeping up with your treatment. A broader statement that implies medication among other things. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand and use the phrase, take your medication, confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of phrases like these. So, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to ask questions if you're ever unsure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.